Do-It-Yourself Divorce Video e-course number 1, The Different Elements of a Texas Divorce. There are a certain set of steps you need to take in order to get divorced in Texas. You must be a resident of the state for at least the past 6 months before filing. You also need to be a resident of the county where you are filing for at least 90 days prior to filing for divorce. Either you or your spouse can fulfill the residency requirements by living in Texas for those required periods of time. When you are ready to file for divorce, you would file an original petition for divorce in the county or district court that is relevant to your jurisdiction. It could be a district court, county court, or even a county court of law. You will need to contact the court directly to find out where you need to file your petition. Many counties in Texas have specific guidelines for filing for divorce if you are not represented by an attorney. Along with your original petition for divorce, you would need to pay for a citation to be drafted along with your original divorce petition. The citation can only be requested through the district or county court you are filing in. However, if you think your spouse will be agreeable to a request for a divorce, then you can give him or her a waiver of service directly in place of a citation. The waiver of service must be signed by your spouse in front of a notary. When your spouse signs and has this waiver notarized, it means he or she is agreeing to your request for divorce and the process can begin. It is only after your spouse has received notice of your request for a divorce that the case truly begins. In Texas, there is a 60-day waiting period from the time your divorce is filed until the earliest date on which you can obtain a divorce from the family court judge. Your divorce is not final until the final decree of divorce has been submitted to the family court judge assigned to your case and has been signed by him or her. Once the divorce has been approved by the judge, you can obtain a copy of your completed final decree of divorce from the court.